This is a deadlift variation, and it's important to watch the hinge video before you do this one to learn how to do a proper hinge at the hip. Once you've got that movement down, you can get into some weight-loaded exercises. Now, this is a deadlift, so it means you're picking something off the floor, basically, like your grandkids or your groceries or something like that. If you've got dumbbells in your hands, you're going to start with a hip hinge, so you're going to start to fold at the hip and just stick the butt back, basically. He's bending until he's almost parallel with the ground, getting about to the shin level with the weight, and then coming back up, pushing hips forward, straight line. You're going to do a couple of those. Now, key issues here is to almost glide down your shins with the weight. You're almost staying in contact the whole time with the shins and the leg. Almost like you're rubbing down the leg, keeping this nice and flat at the very bottom. I always tell patients take pride in your work. So to keep chest out, stay proud, and that helps you keep a good position on that one.